Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you can flip your seats up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle here, you have two cup holders, a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120-volt power outlet. And then this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Then looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, auto start stop status, and your radio station. Do also have your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. Then you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of these subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures. Then to the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, and sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. Moving on to the right, though, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment above the glove box for more storage. And then down here you have USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as being collapsible, so you can have more open space here. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, with a USB and USB-C and a tray that can be removed or configured however you please, I suppose. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.